Hello and welcome to another LTS how-to video. Now that your cameras are set up, let's explore the live view screen and learn how to control your PTZ cameras. Let's get started. The live view screen is your central command center for monitoring all your cameras. You can fully customize this grid layout by simply dragging and dropping cameras from the channel list on the left into any window you want. This lets you organize your most important views exactly how you like them. Once you have the layout that you're happy with, you can save it as a custom view. As you can see from the pop-up, the configuration is saved. To get a closer look, you can double-click on any camera feed to bring it to full screen. Now, it's important to note that the following controls only applies to PTZ cameras. If you are viewing a PTZ, which stands for Pan, Tilt, and Zoom camera, a control panel will appear on the left. This panel allows you to remotely move the camera, zoom in and out, and adjust the focus to get the perfect shot. In the corner of the video feed, you'll see a switch to sub button. This switches the live stream between a lower resolution substream and a higher resolution main stream. Using the substream is a great way to reduce network bandwidth, especially when you're viewing multiple cameras at once. And that's a quick tour of the live view and PTZ controls. Until next time.